Welcome to another episode where they talk about what keeps your feet healthy, confident, and pain-free. Today, they are spotlighting one of the most common foot concerns that people tend to overlook: warts. Warts on the feet can be painful and persistent, especially when they begin to affect your walk and daily comfort. Caused by a virus that thrives in warm, moist environments, they often appear on the soles and pressure points. Many people try home remedies or store-bought products that only offer short-term relief and incomplete removal. This is where expert care from a wart specialist becomes essential for both safety and long-term success. At Total Foot Care and Wellness Clinic LLC, they offer safe, professional wart treatment tailored to your unique condition. Their team uses advanced techniques that target the virus at its source while protecting surrounding skin. Do not let discomfort linger when trusted local care is just one phone call away, right here in Jacksonville. Call Total Foot Care and Wellness Clinic LLC today at 904-204-2114 to book your consultation and take a confident step forward.